So now we're ready to make the interior spout. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to pinch near the bottom, compress with the right hand in the sponge, have just enough moisture that if you need to squeeze it, you can get a little bit out of the sponge, and pull upwards and inwards, compressing all the while so that the tip of the spout will be very even. Go back in with just one finger and pinch from hand to hand between each other. And just keep pulling up. Now we don't want this to be too tall. Mine's actually a little bit too tall. We want it to be under the walls of the baker itself. So a way to rectify that is to take your needle tool and just hold it evenly and cut a piece right off. Then you can just compress this again and you've got a new edge. And this height is much better for the finished piece. You don't want this hole to be too big, but you do want it to be big enough for the steam to come through. It doesn't take much, just a small little hole. And now we're ready to pull the walls.